So I asked ChatGPT to give me 20 job roles or occupations that are less likely to be fully replaced by AI within the next decade, within the next 10 years. These are some of the roles it gave to me, 20 of them. Number 1, psychologist or therapist. 2, social worker. 3, the nurse. 4, doctors and surgeons. 5, teachers and educators. 6, artists, creative director. 7, chef or culinary expert. 8, fitness trainer or physical therapist. 9, lawyer stroke attorney. 10, human resource manager. 11, marketing manager stroke strategist. 12, event planner stroke coordinator. 13, coach stroke mentor. 14, scientist stroke researcher. 15, emergency services personnel, example the paramedics or firefighters. 16, interior decorators or designers. 17, public relations specialists. 18, archaeologists stroke anthropologists. 19, counselors stroke therapists. And 20, environmentalists stroke conservationists. Whilst AI might be able to do some of these in some ways, what it did was to give me roles that often require high levels of emotional intelligence, creativity, adaptability, and complex decision making that are currently difficult for AI to replicate. So I think what it's saying here is within the next 10 years, they might not completely replace these roles because of, if you look at them, they involve some planning, some complex decision making, some display of emotional intelligence that for now might still be a bit difficult for AI to do. But let's see how the next 10 years goes. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.